You ever look in the mirror and wonder why your jawline still looks soft, bloated, or undefined no matter how many mewing tutorials you binge? Here's the truth. There are 7 hidden habits silently wrecking your god face every single day. And once you fix them, your jawline starts sharpening almost instantly. So stay locked in, because I'm breaking down all 7 points, exactly what's destroying your jawline, and the simple fixes that actually work. Point 1. Mouth breathing, the silent face killer. Consequence. This one destroys facial structure faster than anything. It weakens your masseters, droops your mid-face, raises cortisol, and literally warps your facial symmetry over time. If you want hunter eyes, mouth breathing kills them first. Simple. Fix. Keep your tongue sealed to the roof of your mouth and breathe through your nose all day. If your nose is clogged, use a saline spray or a nasal dilator. I've linked the one I recommend in the description. Cue a before-after visual here, showing a compressed versus lifted mid-face. Point 2. Weak chewing habits. Consequence. If you're barely using your jaw muscles, they stay flat and undefined. Your lower third becomes soft, rounded, and low status. This is how you end up with the dreaded pillow face. Simple fix. Chew something harder than air. Start with sugar-free gum or mastic gum for short sessions daily. Forget the chew for 2 hours a day gimmick. That just inflames your TMJ and ruins your progress. Point 3. Constant phone posture. Consequence. Looking down at your phone folds your neck skin, flattens your jaw angle, and gives you that early double chin look. Even if you're lean, it compresses your airway and triggers stress hormones. Simple fix. Bring your phone to eye level and keep your chin slightly tucked, not dropped. Do posture resets every 30 minutes. Cue a quick posture comparison graphic here. Point 4. Late night snacking. Consequence, this spikes insulin, increases water retention, and bloats your entire face, especially the jawline and underchin area. You wake up looking puffy, swollen, and tired no matter what. Simple fix. Cut all food 2 to 3 hours before bed. If you crave something, drink water or herbal tea. Stop believing the myth that calories don't matter at night. Timing absolutely affects facial puffiness. Point 5. Neglecting neck training. Consequence. A weak neck makes your jawline look soft and undefined, even if you're lean. The contrast ratio disappears. The result? Low status silhouette and zero masculine presence. Simple fix. Do simple neck flexion, ducts extension exercises 3 to 4 times a week, just 5 minutes. Point 6. Poor hydration and high sodium. Consequence, dehydration plus high sodium traps. Water in your face making you look bloated, tired, and older. It also leads to jawline asymmetry because swelling rarely distributes evenly. Simple fix. Drink a full glass of water first thing in the morning and keep your sodium consistent through the day. Don't fall for the just drink more water gimmick. Balance is what reduces facial puffiness, not chugging gallons. Point 7. The mindset that genetics decide everything. Make drop. Consequence, believing you're genetically doomed is the #1 habit that keeps men stuck with a weak jawline forever. It kills discipline, destroys consistency, and tells your brain to give up before you even begin. Simple fix. Shift to the identity of someone who upgrades their face daily. Genetics load the gun, but your habits pull the trigger. Your jawline, your confidence, your God face. They're all built, not handed out at birth. If you want more high-level look smacks and God face upgrades, hit subscribe and check the links in the description for the exact tools I recommend. More secrets coming soon.